think
They're what?
I think what they're doing.
They're doing what?
Look at them. They're like going in circles. I think what they're trying to do is catch bugs right on the surface of the water. Because every once in a while they'll like stretch out their necks. And they're not doing it anymore. They're kind of like going. That one is. See them? See how they do that with their necks? I think they're looking for bugs. Like that like to stay at the surface of the water. It's funny how they feel the need to take a bath when they live in the water. So cute. What was that? He did it again. What? Who said that? Come on, squeak. Maybe that's how ducks cough or sneeze. Look at him. Like a little torpedo.